versus. We kind of gave our take on that a little bit, but I know a few niggas in my mind that'll wash. And now that we got Big Blue Benjamin on here, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to go too far backwards. But we're gonna let everybody speak on, you know, who could get in the ring with him real quick. Just since we spoke on first, people who didn't see it.
Who could get in the ring with who? With Jay? Hey, look, I said this, Jay. At Madison Square Garden, I don't give a fuck if he going against Prince. Bring him back from the dead. He can't win.
Okay.
Nobody can beat Jay at Madison Square Garden. So I guess it depends on where you had a venue at. You know what I mean? But to be honest, and down the south, if you're in Atlanta somewhere, we ain't gonna watch Jay. But in Madison Square Garden, no sir. Not a soul.
Hey, in the comments, dope ass Trey said something I said. You know what I'm saying?
Bullshit.
Hey,
Drake
I agree with that nigga though. I don't know if Cole could do it, but I agree with Drake.
Drake, listen to me. At Madison Square Garden, not a soul walking God's green earth could beat Jay in the verses. Nah. You better dig Biggie up out his grave.
Yeah.
It ain't going down, bro. With nobody. Madison
I
Square
ain't
Garden.
gonna hold you. It's a hard thing to think of who could do it, but
not a soul.
Just on some regular shit. I think Drake would wash that nigga in a versus.
Hold on.
I think that Wayne would wash that nigga in a versus.
Diddy, you better tell these niggas. And Madison
No, I'm not saying.
I'm not saying
that Madison Square. I'm saying like anywhere else on the playing field, on a regular playing field, anywhere else, Drake will wash them. Wayne will wash them.
Look. It depends where you at.
Don't put no.
If it's down south, nobody gets washed in this battle. First of all. No. It wouldn't be that type
the whole get washed, dog. I'm telling you, dog.
Jay-Z don't get washed.
Hey, bro, whole get. Hey, bro, I'm trying to tell you how he get washed. He too cool, bro. He don't matter in the South, bro. They don't care about Hove in the South, bro. They don't care about Jay-Z. They care about Jay-Z in New York.
Hold on.
They don't care about Hove.
Anywhere down south, Wayne wins hands down.
If Hove was out west, they don't give a fuck about Hove. Hove only matters in New York City.
In a level playing field, I would give Drake the nod because he's like an international superstar.
Hey, I like that.
It depends on who's judging the battle.
Mark Benford. I say Andre 3 Stacks too. I said that in a personal little chat that we had earlier. Andre 3 Stacks will wash that nigga. Sorry. Not wash him. I ain't gonna say wash him.
I don't think
he'll beat him. I think he'll beat him. He is a better rapper. Like bar for bar, he's a better rapper. But I don't know if he washed. But Wayne washes him and Drake washes him. Kanye just might wash him. You know what I'm saying? Kanye just might wash that nigga.
Yeah, I don't know who Hove is.
You got the right material.
You gotta
y'all talking about the guy.
I'm keeping in mind. I don't care about your catalog. I'm keeping in mind versus battle.
That would matter.
Your catalog don't matter, bro. Did you see how Dipset got watched by one man? Did you see what? Look, did you hear the first thing Dino said? Did you hear the first thing he said when he came in here? The best battle was we smoking on Pookie Loc. The highlight was we smoking on Pookie Loc, not Jeezy's catalog. Nobody cares. It's the versus battle. You see what we talked about with 3-6 and with Bone? We talked about the fight. Nobody cares about the catalog. It's not saying that your catalog don't matter. I'm saying, bro, on a versus battle, bro, it's not who got the best song. You know what I'm saying? It's who cares about who got the best song. It's your stage presence. It's who came and won tonight. Who had the best fit on. Who shit, like, bro, all that shit was not, all that shit been mattering in the versus battle. I think we caught up in Jay-Z name, bro. I don't think we're thinking about Drake's stage performance. Drake tactics.
You don't know Hove, then you need an encore. You need an encore. Do
Hey.
you want more?
You think the crowd gonna go crazy for encore in Atlanta?
Fuck yeah. You know
No,
I'll
I'm not
bring
saying.
the
Hold on,
band.
hold on.
Hey,
Fresh.
In
down south,
Atlanta?
Jay-Z loses that battle. It's
Bro,
all
they
in
not
location.
doing that shit. They don't care about Hove in Atlanta, man. They care about Drake everywhere.
If you did that bitch in Atlanta, I'm gonna tell you some controversial, fucked up shit.
This nigga tripping.
Future could beat Jay-Z in the verses in Atlanta.
You a goddamn lie.
Man, Future
could
is
beat
that
Jay in
nigga
the
in
verses
Atlanta. He is Jay-Z in Atlanta.
Future could beat Jay in the verses in Atlanta.
You out your man, bro.
Hey, bro,
It's
he
all
got
in
the
location.
music for the performance,
Hey.
bro. Hove got that feeling
nigga
you
such a
like,
fool.
oh. He
Man,
got
that's
that
like that
feeling
nigga
you grew
Hov,
up
bro.
on.
Hey.
Future got that sound that these young niggas love right now.
Atlanta alone, I'm talking about if you doing the verses in Atlanta, it ain't too many niggas that can beat Future.
Young
Hey, look, I'm talking
Because
like
you
this,
gotta think of the
and
talent
Hove is
gonna be
one of
an
my
Atlanta
favorite
talent.
rappers. Hove is one of my favorite rappers, but Thug watches Hove in Atlanta.
Jay-Z can't beat Future in Atlanta.
He can't beat Future. He can't beat Thug.
If you put
He can't.
Future on that
No,
stage
I ain't
in
gonna do
Atlanta,
that.
Bro, Future ain't God, nigga. Future ain't.
he ain't God. But in Atlanta, he ain't too far from it.
I bring Ludacris on Future.
Hey, bro, these young niggas. Hey, look, no bullshit to these young
ain't gonna
niggas,
respect
bro.
no damn Ludacris.
Future is their nigga, bro. These young niggas, they grew up, bro. Dirty Sprite mattered. This was these young niggas' summers. This was these young niggas growing up. Like Lonzo Ball, they love Future over Nas, bro. Like they think Future is better than Nas. Lonzo Ball, think of how old he is. Think of people who are like him. They don't give a fuck about no Jay-Z or no Nas. Future is these niggas God, bro. Future is these niggas. They love that nigga the way that the young niggas who loved Hove at Hove time.
That's
like he loved
some niggas
me.
God, Hov is some niggas, a lot of niggas God.
But the young niggas run the show, bro. The old niggas, it's a young man's game. You said it. The young niggas run the show. What the young niggas say is what rule. The old niggas be the niggas sitting there mad. The young niggas be the ones that take the fire and keep it pushing. In whatever direction they want to take it. Because it's the young. Think of why you think Jermaine Dupri always signing kids.
That was his niche.
Because the youngins run the wave,
No.
bro.
That was Jermaine Dupri niche, bro.
The kids run the show, bro.
The kids don't run the show. And when Chris Cross and all them came out, you still had Dre and the West Coast, Snoop and all them other niggas.
How old was them niggas, oh? When you name it, how old were them niggas that you talking about?
They was 18-year-old adults.
That's what I'm saying, youngins, bro.
No, they know. Come on, bro. Chris Cross and Snoop
18 ain't young.
They thugging when you
My
18.
point is that it's a young man's game. That it's young people. It's about the youngins. That's my point. Not as about the 10-year-olds and 7-year-olds. I mean, just the young wave, the youngins.
I see what you're saying. You're right. You got a point.
So I you know what I'm saying? I like I know that I'm not a huge yes I am. I don't like the Future, the Molly Percocet Future. But when I first came home and Future was popping, I was fucking with Future. You know what I'm saying? And it was just a feeling. It was just a feeling. I don't care about, you know,
So what Future you started fucking Future when he was Future?
I was fucking with Freelance. Motherfucking Squares Out Your Circle Future. Motherfucking
Molly Percocet.
No sir. Molly Percocet, I'm talking about the song.
That's how the song start off. Freeman!
Bro, I'm talking about right, Tony Montana. That motherfucking Future. That the one he naming right there Rocco Future.
He was talking about Coke then. He was doing Coke.
A1, Free Bands Future. That one. A1. Should I say the A1 Future?
That nigga Future said, I snip it in my ear so I can hear all the coke.
There we go. Talk to him in the chat. Talk to him in the chat.
Antidote.
Same damn time. You know what I'm saying? Fish tailing out the parking lot, leaving Magic. That Future. But way before
Bruh,
Molly
them
Percocet.
motherfuckers just picking songs now. They just picking songs.
No, I'm saying the Future that was, man, bro, you know what I'm talking about, bro. You know when Molly Percocet came out, and you know when the early Future was. Molly Percocet is not the beginning of Future career.
Yes, what?
To you?
Exactly.
But with that, we're going to move right along. You know what I'm saying? We're going to move right along. Man, I'm on fire tonight. You know what I'm saying? I'm on fire. I ain't lost yet. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that's my shit too. My fingers itching. Yeah, itching for that paper. Yeah. I know what you're talking about. Hey, I'm with you. I know what you're talking about. It's this nigga right here who ain't learned about Future until Molly Percocet. It's that nigga.
Bro, that
the
nigga
old nigga in the
he's a
room.
dog, and he eat that dog food. Nigga doing dope.
I'm a dog. Yeah, that dog food. Yeah, you know how it go, nigga.
That was doing
You know how it go, nigga.
I'm a dog,
Know what I'm saying?
and I eat that dog food. You know what dog food is? Dope.
Man, you know damn well, you know I know what's going on, man.
Nigga was on heroin.
He probably was talking about the lean or the ditties or something. He won't talk.
Bro, what is dog food? Dog food ain't no lean. Dog food is heroin.
But niggas are still.
I'm a dog, and I eat that dog
dope,
food.
man. You know what's up, bro.
Yeah, thanks, bro. Thanks.
Man, I don't know what you're talking about, man.
I don't think it was
Allegedly.
real.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, all I know is motherfucking Jose. Shout out to Jose.